Hi everyone, I'm Barkavi. I'm an artist. I have passion for design. That's how I came to know about AI and UX design. After joining this mentorship program, I learned a practical example of product design and how it works. Jagadish really supported and helped me through this journey. As a result of hackathon team, I had a chance to collaborate with team members and eventually I improved my communication skills while working with a team. We had a weekly call session in which we have to present our projects, uh, in which I had a chance to improve my presentation skills and I had good insights and ideas in those weekly call sessions. It really broadened the perspective of design in me. We had a goal code challenge in which we have to write a long term and short term goals. It really helped me to achieve my goal at a particular period of time. Thank you, Jagadish, Noble, and Freedom Design Challenge.